So first we will see what is bank. A bank is a financial institution which accept deposits and provide loan to its customers. There are several kinds of banks such as commercial banks or corporate banks and government banks. Now we will see what is NBFCs. Non-banking financial companies, also known as NBFC companies, functioning as per the Indian Companies Act, giving loans and advances to the public. And NBFCs can acquire shares, bonds, debentures, and securities from government as well as local authority. There are several NBFCs such as mortgage lenders, insurance companies, etc. Muthoot Finance Limited, Bajaj Finance Limited are some of the examples of NBFCs. Banks and NBFCs are under the control of RBI. RBI regulates commercial banks and non-banking finance companies working in India. It serves as the leader of the banking system and the money market. It regulates money supply and credit in the country. Banking Regulation Act 1949. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 in India that regulates all banking firms in India. NBFCs in India are regulated under the Companies Act 1956. In India, the Companies Act 1956 is the most important piece of legislation that empowers the central government to regulate the formation, financing, functioning, and winding up of companies. Banks will accept demand deposits. NBFCs will not accept demand deposits. In banks, we can open savings or current accounts. In NBFCs, we cannot open savings or current accounts. Banks provide ATM card to its customers. NBFCs does not provide ATM card to its customers. Banks will involve in payment and settlement system. NBFCs will not involve in payment and settlement systems. Fixed deposits. Now we all know that both banks and NBFCs accept fixed deposits. However, there are some differences between both. For example, NBFC's fixed deposits are generally rated by the rating agencies in the country. On the other hand, the fixed deposits of banks are not rated by the rating agencies. Another difference between the NBFC and bank fixed deposit is the insurance. Bank fixed deposits are insured, while NBFC fixed deposits are not insured. In fact, if there is a default of rupees 1 lakh and less the deposit insurance, then Credit Guarantee Corporation of India pays the insurance amount on a bank deposit.